In front of me is REALME GT 5G, and let me show you how to activate the battery percentage and status bar on this device. So at first you need to reach settings, then find and select notifications and status bar, and then tap on show battery percentage on status bar. And as you can see, you've got two options. It can be displayed inside the battery icon or outside the battery icon. So just mark it, and as you can see now it is visible right here. If you will pick inside, it's right inside the battery icon, and I will leave it this way. So this is it. This is how you can activate the battery percentage and status bar. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.